job that we left off last week with finishing the sidewalk and step forming. Going to try and get those poured first thing. Then we're going to jump on getting the driveway set up. Hopefully get that poured if the weather holds out. Friday we were in the high 80s. Today we're looking at a high of like 65. Saying 90% chance of rain for tomorrow. So I want to try and bang this one out today if we can. No Tina today. He is off. So obviously that's going to be a struggle. So we're a man down, but we're going to try and get this stuff done. We got the patio job wrapped up as you guys saw. So I will keep you guys posted once we get here. And hopefully we can get her all done today. Stay tuned, guys. Like, share, subscribe, help us out. Tell me how you feel about the content. Leave us some comments. Appreciate you. Hey guys, it is Monday, about 5 minutes to 1. So as you can see, we got this all set up and ready. Thought I had some time lapse for you guys, but apparently the camera shut off. So I apologize, you guys missed out on this. We've got a bunch of re-rod to throw in here because we don't have the mesh trailer with us. Steps are still pretty wet. We did pour these. We've still got to put some grooves in them in the lower part down here. Obviously we've got to finish it and broom it. It's just too wet. As you can see, it's quite nautical out here today. Very windy. Oh, looks like there's some guys parasailing over there. I don't know if you can see them or not. That's kind of cool. So it's a little bit nautical out today. But we do have this one all poured, so we're gonna get a quick lunch break in. Mud's gonna be on the way here shortly, and we are gonna get this driveway poured. Like I said, tomorrow we're looking at 90-some% chance of rain, so we've got to get this thing done today. Stay tuned, guys. Hey everybody, it is 5:30 on Monday. The guys are out of here. As you can see, we finally got this one all poured. We put a pretty rough broom on it because of the grade, obviously. So we got this one looking real good. We built up a little curb over there. Got a trench drain down there. It's hooked up to a 4-inch pipe that runs all the way down to the backyard, as you guys saw. So tomorrow they're calling for like 98% chance of rain. No matter what, we're gonna get here, get this cut, stripped, wash, knock down these piles of crushed limestone we got here, get this all straightened out, and this one will be a wrap. Sorry I didn't get more video for you guys today. Like I said, thought we had a camera going and had some issues, but that's Monday. We're headed back to the shop, gonna unload all the junk, load up for tomorrow, and keep going. I will see you guys in the morning. Okay everybody, it is Tuesday. We are here at the shop. Tina's back. So Tina, Kirk, and Jesse went up to that driveway job to strip it, cut it, wash it, get everything done up there. It has been raining on and off here, as you can see. So we have a building coming up that's going to be 30'6" by 50'6". We have to do a 2-foot thickened edge on it, and then we have to put foam on it when we're done on the outside per the building inspector, so no frost gets underneath it. So Al and Sawyer are here building the forms for that. Basically we're making 2-foot wide plywood panels. We're staggering the plywood and the 2x4s so they interlock together. A couple braces in the back. These guys are getting these all put together, so when we get to the job site, once we set up our batter boards, get our elevation set, we can just start banging forms in pretty quick. They've got all the material cut up this morning. Basically killing it. Basically be killing it. So we're waiting for the other guys to get back. These guys are going to keep working on this.
Papa Jeff's here. Just finished this one up, cut it, washed it. Look at that beautiful curved cut. Got this one all wrapped up today. Real steep job. Wasn't too fun to pour, but we got her done.
Good Tuesday morning, YouTube. Jason, Intricate Concrete, here at World Headquarters. Guys will be here anytime. We are gonna get ready and get loaded up here for the day. As you can see, we got all of our panel forms built yesterday. Building is gonna be 30'6" by 50'6". So those are all ready to go. I'm gonna get the dump truck fired up, do my pre-trip on that. Want to give you guys some updates on our AIS saw that we bought. If you followed our videos a couple weeks back, the saw is now leaking oil. It's got 2.2 hours on it. So I reached out to AIS yesterday, kind of got jerked around that somebody would call me back. They never did. I called back. They transferred me to voicemail. Finally ended up getting a hold of the manager. Manager told me to bring the saw down there. They would swap it out and give me a new one. That sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to try and get that done later today, and we'll see how that goes. So I will keep you guys posted. We'll see if they stand behind their product that well. I hope they do. I'm going to get stuff fired up, get stuff pre-tripped, and we are going to head out. I will see you guys at the job site. All right, guys, it is a gloomy Tuesday morning. We just got out here to this job site. Pretty much a mess. We got a couple preliminary marks painted out. I got to pop this slab out of here, start grading this off so we can get batter boards up, and then we're going to shoot some grades. So get a camera set up so you guys can see the progress. Go from there. All right, everybody. Wednesday, I don't know, about 1:30 or so. As you guys can see, we got everything formed up except this corner. We're leaving open to get in and out. We just put in, we're at 60 ton of sand right now. Al's grabbing another trip, doing about 14 to 16 ton a trip. Probably gonna take 3-4 more trips. So we're compacting this in lifts. Probably about 8 to 12 inch lifts, I would guess. Double checked our measurements down there, we're good. We got all of our kickers on, forms are leveled vertically. So far so good on everything there. Talked to the building inspector, he's gonna be out either late tonight or tomorrow morning. So Al should be back in time with more sand, then we'll start gaining on it. Overall, it's looking good. Glad we put all these forms together yesterday at the shop. Saved us a lot of time today. Plus, it kind of gave the guys some hours on a rain day. So, stay tuned. You guys can like, subscribe, share. I'd appreciate it. Coming up next week, we got a floor to start grinding and polishing. I'm actually supposed to start it tomorrow, but I'm going to try and pour this tomorrow if I can get mud. So, stay tuned, guys.